Jogg AI review. Is this AI avatar worth it? Let's see. So Jog AI is a web plus app platform that lets you create realistic AI avatar videos from text photos, URLs, or uploads. Its features include generation from 400 plus stock avatars or custom photo avatars with precise lip sync, facial expressions, and hand movements. It also has a voice cloning and supports for 50 plus languages. And it has a built-in script generator, a video editor, ad template, and podcast tools. So what it does well is it has a beautiful UI and speedy creation. They also have high quality voices, like 11 Labs, which tends to feel natural. It's also versatile with avatar creation, and they have strong tools for e-commerce and trainers, which has proven bang for the buck. So in user feedback, it has a lot of ratings from 4 to 5 stars on ratings. So is it legit? Well, absolutely. It delivers on its core premise, fast, versatile avatar video creation. But is it worth it? Well, yes, if you need quick marketing videos, ads, explainer clips, or multi-language content at scale.